Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another reel video. Now, in this video, what I'm going to teach you guys is how you can share your reels from Instagram directly to Facebook. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in my tutorial account, and what I want to do is share this reel that I've uploaded straight to Facebook. Now, what I want to do is go to my profile and go to the Reels tab. As you can see, I have 3 of the same copies uploaded, and what you want to do to actually share it to Facebook is, well, there's a few things. Firstly, there's this option when you actually upload the reel video, you will get the option to share it directly to Facebook, and that should pop up when you're posting your either first reel or if you're posting an original reel that you haven't uploaded before. And once you click share, it should be directly shared to your Facebook account. However, I think that enables them to be shared every time, so be cautious when using that. However, if you want to share an already posted reel, of course, what you need to do is go to that reel like so, and once you're here, just click on the share button. As you can see, there's this recommend to Facebook button. This is for business accounts only, and it will recommend your post to people on Facebook. However, what you want to do is, as you can see in the bottom, you have these many options to add to your story, add to your threads, share this, copy link, and so on and so forth. What you want to do is just scroll until you find Facebook, click on it, and you will be able to share directly to your Facebook news feed, and that is pretty much it. Please, if you like this video, please like the video, share it if your friends need help, and subscribe to this channel. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial.